Let's learn how to cook. She has a bowl of
You
macaroni.
need a lot of ground beef for this, okay?
Ground
So
beef.
just that first, and then we'll do a little roll like that.
Doesn't look too
Take
bad
your
so
macaroni
far.
ball, okay? And you put it right here in the center. This is Velveeta cheese.
It looks like a globe.
Okay, you're gonna mold it
Like a
as well,
sphere.
just like clay.
Oh wow, she's molding the cheese. Never seen that
Carefully.
before.
Just like a pie crust, okay? Like that.
Like a pie
Like that.
crust.
Now you're gonna wrap the beef around this.
That's a lot of beef. It's gonna be very greasy.
Then you can peel and put them all around
And
like
biscuits.
this.
I guess to soak up all that oil.
Okay, we'll pop it in the oven. We'll take it out in a few minutes.
Oh, it
Incredible!
doesn't look too bad.
Oh, yes.
Let's see.
Oh wow! Look.
Oh no.
Wow!
Oh, that looks so good.